Alright guys, what is GCAD? What GC green card is a very important thing in America, right? GCAD is something that is really good, and it is very close to getting the GC. So just as you are about to get a GC, as a basically US government, USCIS gives you something called as GCAD. GCAD has a lot of freedom as far as working is concerned, and then along with GCAD, typically you will get AP also. AP means advanced parole. GCAD means green card employment authorization document. With GCAD, you can work for any employer, and you can work for multiple employers. You can work for anybody who you want, and the restrictions that are there on H1 or on L1 or T1 or P1 or any visa are not there. GCAD is a free visa. You can work for anybody. Typically with AP, advanced parole, you can go out, you get it, typically you get AP with it. And if you get AP means you can go out of the country and come back in the country without any visa requirement. You don't need a stamp. So you don't need to visit embassy and get the visa stamp or things like that. A lot of headache is reduced if you have GCAD and AP. This is as close you can get to the GC as possible. You cannot get anything, right? Typically GCAD, the statement behind GCAD is, the premise behind it is, government is saying, yes, we think you are a great person, you are a great fit for GC, we'll give you the GC, but in the meantime, we are taking some time to process it. In the meantime, let's just, we have already determined your eligibility, everything is good, we are great, but in the meantime, let's just give you something so that you can immediately start going in and out of the country, and you can start working like you have green card. That's the whole idea. So you have all the pretty much the thing amenities, but it's not GC yet. That's the thing. So with GCAD and AP, you can live your life the way you like. Many people do not know. They think GCAD as some kind of a visa. No, GCAD is freedom. When you apply for asylum, you get GCAD right away. You don't get AP at all, because asylum means you have to stay in this country, right? But with GCAD, you can start working. GCAD is a great thing. It is much better than visa or H1 visa and all that stuff. People think of it as a regular work authorization. No, H1 visa is a regular work authorization. This is not just work authorization. This is flexibility. You can work for anybody without any sponsorship. H1 needs sponsorship. L1 needs sponsorship. F1 need a university sponsorship, right? Some university has to give you admission. All these are you have to be attached to someone. GCAD means you don't have to be attached to anyone. You have a lot of freedom, just like green card. You can work for anybody, right? So that's the difference. GCAD, in GCAD, you can work for anyone, and you're not attached to anybody. You don't have to worry about him sponsoring or letting you go. He can let you go, and your GCAD will still be valid. That's the main beauty of a GCAD. That's another, right? So GCAD AP is a really, really good thing. And with AP, if you get AP also, then it is a lot of flexibility. You don't have to worry about going to India. You don't have to worry about getting stuck at the port of entry. You don't have to worry about getting stuck anywhere in the process, because there is no stamping needed. There is no trip to the embassy to get the stamping done and all that stuff. So GCAD AP brings you a lot of freedom, and I wanted to make a separate video just to create awareness about GCAD, EAD and AP and advanced parole, what these are. Okay. All right guys, thank you.